Okay, so we're at Terminal 21. And it's kind of set up like an airport. So this is a Pattaya. So you have this one that goes in, and then this is departure from Tokyo. So we just had some kind of cool stuff. So we're gonna just go around the mall a little bit and see how the... Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. You see all the Japanese lanterns, sumo wrestling. So we're gonna just take a little walk around Terminal 21 at the Pattaya shopping mall. And this particular one has a large number of Japanese things. And basically each floor will have a different name. So downstairs I saw Florence, Italy. I think I saw Armenia or something. Well, we'll see. We'll walk around and take a look at them. This one has a bunch of other stuff that's designer shops, I guess you'd call it. And Chinese pretzels, that's everywhere in Thailand now. Actually, there's a lot of stuff in Thailand these days. So, okay. Mr. Donut is everywhere as well. And these are all the designer shops. Oops. That's pretty cool. So, okay, let's take a look here. So the street. Just gonna keep on going down. Let's see. So we're just gonna walk into this a little bit. See what all is down here. So, okay. So it looks like this one is all Japanese motif on the ceilings. So yeah, this is Terminal 21. We're on the second floor, I believe. Lift down. It's pretty cool. Actually, you'd see these in Japan. These kind of things. I used to live in Japan, so departure from Tokyo. So if you go up, it goes up to San Francisco. So departure from Tokyo, arrival San Francisco. So we're gonna go up. And so now we're arrival San Francisco, and now you have everything that's San Francisco related. So you have this cable car shop, sushi restaurants like this. Pier 21 and Jefferson, San Francisco Terminal Pattaya, Jefferson Street. Okay, this one is Hong Kong Noodle. There's also a movie theater up here too. So we can see what's in the cinema. Chester's, Tokyo. And there's a big parking garage at Centers that goes all around here too. Hollywood Avenue. So this is the... Let's see what's on the movies here. So today we have Frozen 2. Those are some of the movies. So this is Christmas time in Pattaya. Landing floor of Pisa. You got all kinds of stuff. So kind of a travel Pier 39. So San Francisco also has like a Pier 39. And we have a nice window over here, so let's just kind of go in and see if we can see out the windows too. Let's see what we can see. I think I see a temple already. Let's see. If we can find a window spot, we will. Fade out. We are at the 5.5 minute mark, so I'm going to conclude shortly. I don't want my videos to go very long anymore, but I think you definitely get the idea. There's Pier 21, some seals, and we got everything right here. There's the Japan 1 Kinza station again. Okay, this is Terminal 21, which is the Pattaya shopping mall, and you got this big plane and created some video walking around a little bit. And this one, we're just gonna zoom in and see some of the stuff out here, like the ocean. So from up here on this floor, you can see cruise boats even, or ships. You can see Christmas trees. Like that, and then over here there's even more ocean. So we're just going to zoom in a little bit over there. You can see all that too. So yeah, this is all Pattaya. So I think we're up on the 5th floor, I think. There's a zoom in on some of the intersections. All very Thailand, right? Some towels and police stations, and there's some artwork right there for an advertisement. We're just gonna follow this a little bit. Let's see what else is around here. There we go. So this is a little slice of Pattaya up on top of the Terminal 21 shopping mall. We can overlook the ocean even from up here. So.